This children's desk becomes both a practical place for arts and crafts, as well as a useful storage solution, if completed with TROFAST storage boxes in different sizes and colors. With TROFAST storage boxes underneath the lids, it's easy for your child to reach their toys, and clean up in a jiff. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. Annoyed that it's more than double than what's on IKEA website, but since IKEA hasn't been delivering this in months, I finally caved. It's still cheaper than other sensory tables on Amazon. And it's a good table. We already had one and someone took it. Love that the top closes and you can store things inside. It's neutral and nice looking.